Hello guys, this is Akhil and this is my partner Avinash.
Hi guys.
So today we are here to present a web programming final project which is a multi-purpose travel website. So we have named it as Travel Tales. So in this website we have implemented three features. One is rental car booking, another one is flight booking, another one is prepaid parking services. So now we'll quickly move on to demo of our website. So this is the main front page of our website. So here we have the options to book flights or rental cars or to choose the prepaid parking services, and here also you have blog and contact where you can read blogs of other users, and you can also contact us with your feedback. So in this page we also have details about air ticketing, car rentals and prepaid parking services. So now we'll move on with car rentals. So this is the web page for rental cars. So if you click this link, car listing, you'll be able to see all the list of cars available. So to book a car, first you need to be logged in. So here you can see we have already logged in. So okay, now we'll select a car and we'll select the start date and end date. So this message, it is optional, so you can type really anything random. So if you click the pay now button, you will be proceeding to the payment page. So here you have to enter valid credit card details. So I'll be entering a valid credit card details from the database. So one of the credit card number that I remember from the database is this one, which is a 16-digit number one, and the CVV code is that one, and its expiration date is okay. So since these details are valid, so your payment would be successful. So if you enter invalid details, it would show as incorrect details and please try again. So you can see that your booking is successful. So if you click the home button, you'll be redirected to your main car portal, so where you can again book your cars. So if you click this home button, you will be redirected to our main web page. So now we look at how to book flights. So in this is the interface of the flight booking web page. So here you have options like one way, or you can choose a round trip. So you have the options to enter the departure and arrival cities, the departure date, and you can choose between economy or business class. So in case of a round trip, you will also have a return date. So the search all option, it is used to search all the flights on a particular date. Suppose I have selected 11th of May, so it will show all the flights that are available on 11th. So you can also book a flight from this page. So suppose let's say we'll book the flight from Seattle to DFW. So this is the shopping cart. It also keeps tracks of your previous items that you have added into the cart. So this is the previous item that I've added into my cart. Okay, I'll delete it, I don't want to pay for it. So I'll proceed with this pay option. So okay, in the previous case we have seen so this is similar, like we have seen the payment method. So I'll show you with the other credit card details. So So this is the other valid credit card details in the database. So you can see again, you got the message, booking is successful. So by clicking the home page, you can go back to the main home site of a flight booking thing. So even here for booking flights, you need to be logged in. So here we have also created some registration forms. So if you click register, these are the details you have to fill in to register, and we have also created some validations for passport, like it should be at least one letter, one uppercase letter it should have, one lowercase it should have, and one number it should have. So after filling all these details, you can click sign up. Okay, so now we are not gonna go through all those things. So if you click this home button here, you can directly go to the main web page. So this button is to select the prepaid parking services. So this would be handled by Avinash.
So we actually developed a prepaid parking website. So the idea is that there are many slots available in many parking spaces, and our idea is to show which space is available at which center, and we'll be able to select a space for that time, and the cost also would be shown. So let me show you how it goes off in the website. So we actually thought of giving login credentials again for the pre-parking website, just to see if we can make it secure enough or not. So on pressing pre-parking website, we get to the different locations where the parkings are available. And if you so let me select one location. For example, you can select anything like Georgia Aquarium or so. Let me go with Centennial Olympic Park, for example. So it actually asks you to log in. So we actually provide this login again, so just as to make it secure and see if we can give multiple logins in a single website or not. So let me just type the details which I already used to sign in with. Just takes a minute. There we go. Yeah, so this is the interface for where I'm logged in. You can see that my name is displayed and my email is displayed, and I'm online now. So I'll be able to select which zone is, I selected the Olympia Park, right? So I can also select which zone I want to go for the space, which I can find it nearby. You can see floor 1 or floor 2. I can select it, and it shows me again. On the way I select it just uses the jQuery selection, and it shows you the available spaces. So I can just select it, and it shows me the cost, and you can just type in the number of hours you want to do it for, and you can just select this place. Yes, so it seems that you already have a pending request towards that space. That's why the alert is being shown. So I actually made a request before itself. So if there is actually a request for the same place, then it shows as an alert that we already have a pending request that is to be done. So let me just go through the code snippets, just show you some of the codes that we faced problem in especially. If you can see, the cart show was one of the problems we faced. So here is the SQL query that we used to select all the aeroplanes that need to be flights that need to be displayed. And so we actually just misspelled some values, and we were trying to rewrite the code, but we were not able to do it. So finally we were able to solve it. And one more problem we faced was in the checkout page. We had to validate all the credit card details. We have to check if it is present in the database or not. And if I can show you, this is some of the queries where we validated numbers, CVV, if there is exactly 16 numbers or not. And so check availability also was where we had to check if exactly the parking spaces were available or not. So this is some of the code that we want to follow. So that is all about our project, guys. So thank you for listening to us.
So if you have any doubts, so you can ping us in the YouTube comment section. So we'll be very happy to answer your doubts.
Thank you
guys.